Just had the most amazing much needed swim at Panya Beach.
In this video, you'll see a visit to Panya Beach on Naka Island as part of the James Bond full day tour by speedboat. Naka Island is in Phang Nga Bay in southern Thailand. We went to Panya Beach. This is part 5 of the day tour. The tour started with a pickup from my hotel to the pier. At the pier there was a briefing on the safety rules, what to expect for the day and where we were going. Then onto the speedboat. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here to help you plan your travel and know what to expect. Know before you go. First we headed to the popular James Bond Island, where a scene in the 1974 James Bond movie, The Man with the Golden Gun, was filmed. Next we went to Panny Island for lunch and to see the floating village built on stilts. Then on to Hong Island for kayaking around beautiful limestone cliffs. Then on to Ice Cream Cave. This was the last stop for the day for a much needed swim to cool down. I got more than a swim to cool down. Here's a tip for you, wear footwear that it's okay to get wet. You'll have to walk in the water for a bit, getting on and off the boat on the beach. And any clothing below your knees may get wet or will get wet too. Panya Beach stop on the day tour is a 1-hour visit for swimming, beach activities, relaxing and a cocktail.
Just had the most amazing much needed swim at Panya Beach.
Beautiful, amazing swim, storm in the distance, but I didn't realise that storm was headed my way.
After such a hot day on this tour, it's been absolutely amazing, and it's raining over where we've just come from. And now we're at Panya Beach. I think it might be time for a drink. Cocktails behind me. I just ordered my cocktail. I just got it delivered to the beach, and this rain has just come in. It's absolutely crazy. So, cheers.
I got not only a swim for a cool down, but a drink and also a storm.
Can't even see the beach now.
It was a very wet trip back to Phuket. The rain comes in on the speedboat. The trip back to the hotel in an air-conditioned minibus whilst soaking wet through and in peak hour traffic was a very long, freezing cold trip. But well worth it. I had an amazing day. Happy travelling out there.